explore the main prize first, which is the 2 metre, 70 centimetre handheld. Martin's hand is in the bucket, he's shaking it, he's pulled out one ticket. Right. Thank you very much. It's a yellow ticket, number 16, 1-6 on the yellow. Must have been sold fairly recently. Anybody got 16?
Somebody down there.
Thank you. Yes, we've got somebody here. Who are they?
Don't you let them have a dash?
Yeah, you've got 30 seconds to get here, otherwise we'll recall it.
Right, number 16.
Number 16, yes, thank you.
Right,
And what's your name, sir?
that's Steve, G8PMU.
Well, congratulations, you've got yourself another handheld. Yeah. Okay, now I'll ask Martin to use his delicate hand again to pull out another ticket. Another yellow one, my word. Another yellow one, 3939. Number 39. Somebody must have number 39. Wave your arms above your head. You can't get there. Okay, jolly good, right. Gentleman on his way. So we've nearly made, actually I haven't bought any tickets yet, so perhaps I'll buy 9 quid's worth and then that'll make it £300. Thank you very much.
Go on, Phil.
Oh, and what's your name, sir? Okay, thank you very much. You can have the video, you can have the video camera or the DVD player and the DVDs. Okay, I just selected the video camera. Thank you very much. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And we have some more prizes still. So again, Martin, I'm not tiring you too much, I hope. Yeah.
I can't help it, I can't
It's
even
about
see.
10 to 1. And it's on the yellow again, and it's number 8. 8 on its own. Ticket number 8. Probably a trader. Yeah. Thank you very much. So you can have this DVD player, recorder, and it's a freeview receiver. So, or you can have an icon hat. Well, would you not like to take one? To have the disc. Okay, yeah. Keep taking the disc. Thank you very much. Jolly good. Right, okay, and again, Martin.
Right, I'm going to try and get a green one this time. I apologise.
Oh, look, it's a green ticket, and it's 396. 396. There's a DVD player or an icon hat.
So would I. But you have to put it on. So they can get a picture.
Okay, and that's good. And one more ticket. That's all. Thank you very much. And it's all close. 391. 391. Okay, it's really good. So you have an icon hat, or you can have the DVD player. Please do. Thank you. And what was your name?
Graham. G8VKO.
G8VKO, that's...
Hardly.
Okay, and finally we have one hat. And this will be number...
I'm pulling out random. Nice green one.
That's a green one. And it's number 358. 358. Well, thank you everybody that's bought tickets. Very pleased that we've raised £300 for children in need. Very good, and hopefully a few people have gone away happy with their radios and so on. So, thank you. See you all next year. Oh yes, and I should at this point thank Moonraker, who provided the radio, and Peter Smith, who provided the other items, the DVD player and the camera. So thank you once again from everybody here, the CATS, and all attending. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Congratulations all of you.